Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys looking for the best Wi-Fi range extender that gives you the best Wi-Fi coverage range? Then this video is highly made for you. In this video we will do the Netvip AC1200 Extender setup in very simple and easy way. The Netvip AC1200 Wi-Fi Extender is a device that helps boost your existing Wi-Fi signal to cover dead zones and weak areas in your home. It supports dual band speeds up to 1200 megabits per second. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, plug the Netvip AC1200 Extender into a power socket near your Wi-Fi router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid, showing the device is ready. On your laptop, PC, or smartphone, open the Wi-Fi settings. Look for the extender's default Wi-Fi network, usually named Netvip_EXT or something similar. Connect to it. No password is usually required for the first time setup. Open a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari, etc. In the address bar, type 192.168.10.1 and press Enter. The login page of the extender will appear. On the login page, enter the default username and password. The username and password is admin. Then click Login to access the setup dashboard. Once inside the extender's dashboard, select the option Repeater/Extender mode. The extender will scan and display all nearby Wi-Fi networks. Choose your home Wi-Fi network, SSID, from the list. Selecting your home network, type in your Wi-Fi password exactly as it is. You can also rename the extended network if you like, e.g., home_Wi-Fi_ext. Click Connect/Apply to continue. The extender will take a few seconds to connect to your router. Once successful, the extender will reboot automatically. The Wi-Fi LED should turn solid or blinking, depending on the model, confirming it is connected. On your phone, laptop, or smart devices, reconnect to your Wi-Fi. You can now use either your main Wi-Fi network or the extended network, Netvip_EXT. Now your setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.